Hello everyone, welcome to the necessary journey to the last and fascinating department of Choco. I am Wilson Gomez, your tour guide, and today I will show you the most incredible destination that this place has to offer. We begin our journey in Bahia Solana, known for impressive beaches like the Almillo. Here you can enjoy the sun, soft sand, and relaxing wave, and tropical paradise you won't want to miss. We continue our journey to the Ensenada de Utría National Natural Park. This ecological sanctuary harbors an incredible diversity of flora and fauna. You'll be able to admire the mangrove and enjoy a close encounter with marine life, a, un- a unique experience for natural lovers. We not only marvel at nature but also explored the rich culture of Quibdó, the capital of Choco. Culture, the colorful street and culture even will immerse you in the vibrant life of the city. An authentic experience that will connect you with the local community. And so concludes our tour of the beautiful department of Choco. Paradisiacal beaches, this place has something for all nature and culture lovers. I hope you have enjoyed this journey as much as I have. Until the next adventure in Choco.